Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso has come out in full support of goalkeeper Ronwen Williams following a critical error in their narrow 4-3 loss to Borussia Dortmund at the FIFA Club World Cup on Saturday. The clash at GQL Stadium saw the South African champions go toe-to-toe with the German giants in a 7-goal thriller that ultimately ended in heartbreak for the Brazilians. Sundowns took an early lead in the 11th minute, courtesy of a brilliant solo effort by Lucas Ribeiro Costa, who surged past Dortmund defenders before calmly finishing. However, the lead was short-lived. Dortmund equalized minutes later when Felix Mecha pounced on a misplaced pass from Williams, who attempted to play out from the back under pressure. That blunder opened the floodgates. Dortmund added further goals through Serro and Job Bellingham before a Kolisa Modau on goal deepened the deficit. Despite trailing 4-1, Sundowns refused to fold. A spirited second-half comeback saw Ikram Reyners and Lebo Motiba find the net, but time ran out before they could complete the turnaround. After the match, much of the focus turned to Williams' early error, but Coach Cardoso was quick to shield his shot-stopper from criticism and said, "Look, playing out from the back is our identity. We made a mistake during the build-up, yes, but do you think I can stand here and criticize Ronwen? No, football is a game of errors. I make mistakes too, even when selecting the starting 11. Cardoso explained that his halftime team talk focused not on fault finding but on encouragement, and said the pressure in games like this is immense. Teboho Mokoena, for example, gives everything every time he steps onto the pitch. So how can I reprimand him or any player when their only intention is to help the team? In this club, we don't punish mistakes, we support and train through them." The Portuguese tactician insisted that the trust is the foundation of his philosophy at Sundowns and said, "If I don't trust my players when they make mistakes, how can they trust me? This is how we grow as a team." With the defeat, Sundowns now faced a must-win situation in their final group game to keep their club World Cup hopes alive. Despite the setback, the fighting spirit shown in the second half offers hope to the rest of their campaign. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.